Hey, I'm back with another Calendly tip for you today, and I'm in the process of going through and updating my links and information in Calendly for 2025. And I just discovered a little hiccup, and I'm sure if I've discovered it, you might have the same issue too. And that is regarding setting a time range for calendar appointments. So let me walk you through the process of how to do this in Calendly now. All right, so right now I'm in the scheduling settings area of Calendly, and I'm adjusting an appointment link that was set specifically for a date range. And this is within the date range in the left column here, February 19th to June 30th of 2024. Now I want to update this link so I can use it for future dates. And I was trying to figure out if I want to set it for January 2025 to December, how to do so. And there's not an easy way that you can click on a start date and click on an end date, but I did discover something that you can do. So if you want to extend the date range over multiple months in Calendly, here's the process to go through. I'm going to start by going to the beginning date of what I want my range to be, which in this case is January 2nd. Then I'm going to hold on the Shift button and I'm going to click on the right arrow to get to the end of my range, which in this case, I want it to be December 30th. Now you can see here, as soon as I clicked on December 30th, the whole date range looks like it is lit up. It's like a light blue gradient there. I'm going to click on apply. And now you notice inside here, the date range is now accurately reflecting multiple months. And that's how you do it. Make sure that you click on save and close before you do this. Hey, if you found this tip helpful, I'd love it if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips like these. And do drop me a comment below. Let me know if you found this tip helpful. Thanks. Have a great day.